Hello everyone, I'm gonna show you how to do another beatbox sound today, and today is the robot noise, and it sounds a little bit like this. Yeah. To do this sound, you basically have to put your tongue at the top of your mouth like that, and you can make, and like if you make the sound like a duck kind of quack thing, and then once you've got that, you just add in like something that sounds like that, and then if you add it together, yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, see you around.